Work value work, play value play, to be useful and happy, that is the way. All that you do your mind. Things done by halves are never done right. One thing at a time. That done well is a very good rule, as many can tell. Is a very good rule. सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल के भी हसीना और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन पर प्रेस करें।